Hey guys, just want to show you a video real quick on the HSD F86 Sabre. There's the HUD light setup. There's the dashboard, 3D printed. There's my 3D, that's my warbirdpilot.com pilot, Korean error. Gun ports, radar dome, nose gear landing lights, rivets, exhaust ports, formation landing light is going to go here. I gotta find me an LED to get in there so when that's on close. Bleed over from the turbine, another exhaust port. These were put in with carbon fiber tubes. Oh, there is the fuel dump tube, removable. If you ever lose it, break it. I've got a base already, tube base already in here, so I can just put that in there, shove it in there, and it's wedge fit. Nice and tight. Notch put in for the F86 Sabre rudder. We've got our strobe light, navigation lights back here. That's cool. Tons of rivets. Rivets for days. Down here, we've got strobe light on the bottom. Cool. I got to hook up the servo, find me a channel so that this can go in and out. If you watch any of my videos when I was building this, you know this works. I just got to disconnect it because I got to do some painting in there and gluing something to cover this gap up with. And we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. We'll keep you informed what's going on. See you later, Jetman out.